Today we have a 2007 Citizen M32 Type 5. Machine has a CAV 32IS magazine bar feed, cool blaster, high pressure coolant. We're going to run it now. Do the main spindle first. 1500. That's 3000. That's 5000. All right. Now we're going to do the C-axis. Machine has C-axis on both main and sub spindle. Okay. Running the live tool on the gang slide. That's 1500. That's 3000 and 5000. Okay. It's a live tool on the turret at 1500 RPM. That's 3000 RPM. 4500 RPM on the live tool. All right. Doing the sub spindle, 1500. Now we're at 3000. And that is 5000. All right. So that's the C-axis on the sub. And that's the Y, right? Y-axis on the turret. Machine has 2 live and 2 static holders mounted to the turret. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.